Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet highly effective way to fix a broken zipper. This method is not only easy to follow, but it can also help you save money without needing to buy a replacement. Using only basic tools you already have at home, a damaged zipper like this can be restored and work perfectly again, just like new. Alright, let's get started. First, carefully open the metal part of the zipper slider using a spoon. A spoon is a common household tool and strong enough to help loosen the slider. This simple step will make the repair process much easier and more efficient. Once it's slightly opened, carefully insert one side of the detached zipper track back into the slider. Make sure it is properly aligned so it fits smoothly into place. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments below. It's amazing to see how we can connect with each other from all around the world. Once the zipper track is back inside the slider, move the slider all the way to the end. Then, use pliers to press the metal part of the slider and tighten the section that was previously opened. Make sure to do this carefully to avoid damaging or breaking the zipper slider. And here's the result, as you can see. The repair worked perfectly. The zipper that was once broken is now fully functional again. This simple method can help you save more money, as there's no need to buy a new bag. You can also use this technique to fix zippers on pants, jackets, and many other items. Feel free to share this idea with your friends and family if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.